Hey everybody, welcome to Lollipop Love. I'm Denise. It's day 18. If you're new here, we're opening the Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Celebration 2023. We've only got 7 left. What are we going to do after that? Complete all these projects I haven't completed during the hectic Christmas season. So, oh mercy. Let's get into it. Only 7 days left. Kind of getting sad. It's been a fun journey this year. On this manic Monday, wish it was Sunday, because that's my fun day. Give you that earworm to put in your head. Anyway, let's get into this. Let's see what Jenny's wearing. Let's see what we got for 18. We got a lot to look at. I'm gonna miss this cute little song.
Good morning, everybody.
Dinosaur.
What do you think? It's day 18. Time for a little bit of fun. Let's see what we've got in our box today.
I want all her earrings.
All right,
all her
day
Christmas
18.
earrings.
Here we go. Let's see what's in here.
Oh, let's see what's in here.
Oh, we got some fun things happening here. Oh, this is so fun. So you got the fabric, you got the glue stick, you got the turning tool, and we are going to show you how to make this Hexy Dreams pillow. So with it, you get a template, and you get this double-sided fusible fleece for the pre-cut hexagon. So these are tiny little cut pieces that go inside here, because this is what the pillow looks like this with the fabric. This is the Hexy Dreams, and it's so cute. So as my dinosaur would say, when you're done with your roar and it's ready to snore, you'll have a pillow to lay your head on. It's the Hexy Dreams pillow. We hope you have fun making it. We're going to show you everything you need to know, because I am going to put this back in the bag and toss it over to my elf. So here it goes. Have fun, everybody. Hi.
So, out of all the templates that's over here, and more up there on the top that you can't see, I don't have this. So that's great. Don't have this one. And we got the double-sided fusible fleece pre-cut hexagons. So I'm sure you cut your, I don't even know. Is this like, you gotta do this by hand? Oh no, not by hand. Let's see. I don't know, I'm gonna have to watch the elf. Unless I just read through the whole thing, I can't tell. But isn't that just beautiful? I think that's beautiful. I love it. Poppy loves it, scratching her fleas back there. I really like that. And I don't have this. So that's going to be exciting. I wonder if we have enough to do the purse and this. Surely we have enough to do. Let's see. It says 1 packet of 5-inch print squares. So you will use 12 5-inch for the 12-inch pillow and 19 for the 16-inch pillow. So, ooh, I don't know where that other yes, I do. It's right here. This you'll use. Let's see. Can we do both? 16. It's at 14 aside for the moment. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out if you can do both. Let's see. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not sure if you can do both or not. Can we do both? Because I loving them colors. Those golds and those plums. I'm loving them. I'm happy with this. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. So y'all come back tomorrow. And we'll see what Jenny's wearing. We want all our cute earrings. We want all our sweaters. And we want to get to Christmas. So come back tomorrow. Click on my face somewhere around in here. Click the subscribe button. Give a like. And we'll see you tomorrow. And thank you for your comments. And thank y'all for subscribing. We appreciate you. And y'all have a good night. Okay, bye-bye.